So I got a DeWalt DC900 hammer drill with chuck all messed up, keeps dropping bits when I go in reverse. And I was trying to get it off to replace it. There is no set screw inside or anything like that. It needs to be undone. It just needs to be unscrewed counterclockwise. How I did that is I get it in gear number 1, put it on hammer drill mode, and well, not hammer drill mode, but drill mode. Get it on the side of the bench there, and I was trying this method that worked out last time I had this problem, where I put a big Allen wrench in there, slamming it in with the hammer and just knocking in a counterclockwise fashion. But this thing kept slipping. I had to grind it down to get it to fit in there. It wasn't working out too well. And I didn't have a channel lock, so what I did is took one of these, just put it over top the chuck itself, got it in a good leverage position, and held down real tight there, pushed down with the other hand right there, and again a counterclockwise direction, and got lucky, was able to bring it off. The gears were slipping, I think, earlier when I was trying out with the Allen wrench method, and it seemed to work out pretty good.